So my brother finally traded in his Harley Sportster for a pretty awesome bike. I kind of talked him into it. He was so about it, and I told him to get it. So let's have a look at it. It's a KTM 690 Duke. Okay, so I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see, but I'm going to try to take these headphones that have a speaker or a microphone on them and try to somehow mount them in my helmet so that I can plug this into my phone in my pocket, and this will be in the helmet, and that way everybody can hear me and what's going on while I ride. So I'll record on my phone through this, and then the camera will record separately, but you won't be able to hear anything from the camera because it's in a case and outside the helmet. So hopefully this will work, and then I can sync the audio to the video, and it should work out okay, I think. We're gonna get this mounted in the helmet. Don't know how much you're gonna see, so bear with me. This video is pretty much going to be all testing things out, see how the mic does, see how the camera does. I did record a little with the camera before, but nothing usable for YouTube. Just when I first got the camera, we hooked it up real quick and didn't like the angle, and then I zip tied the mount to the front because I think I will like that angle better. I just gotta get this mic mounted here. So this video is going to be all testing purposes. I got it zip tied on there. All I did was zip tie the microphone part of the headphones to the zip ties that's holding the mount on. And I'll try to get everything set up, and then we'll go for a quick ride around the house, up and down my lane, whatever, maybe on the road some, and see how it works. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm in my brother's shed where we upload our videos. So I wanted to explain that this was a really short video. It's only like 4 minutes long, but reason being is I got the headphones hooked up in the helmet, I got the camera put on, and everything was working good, except for when I tried to record the audio on my phone through a recording app. It didn't record through the microphone on the headphones. It recorded through the microphone on the phone, so you couldn't hear anything. I downloaded a whole bunch of different apps, kept trying them, none of them seemed to work, so I gave up, and I apologize. I don't have anything else to put in the video. I didn't record anything. It's been a pretty busy week. Yeah, I just been trying to get the bike done. A lot of working. So the weekend was busy with birthday parties and stuff. So hopefully me and my brother can either figure out that, or we did get it to work through the microphone if we called each other, but my brother wasn't with me because he's staying down at my grandma's house for a while, so he wasn't riding with me, so I couldn't call him and ride at the same time, so we couldn't get it to work that way. But hopefully next time it'll work. And yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.